Hello everybody, welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to apply and how to remove bullets. First I'll show you how to apply bullets. If the text is already on the page, use your pointer to select the text. Then go to the Home tab, go to the Paragraph section and click Bullets. And that is how you apply bullets. Next, let's remove the bullets. Use your cursor to select the text, go to the Home tab, go to the Paragraph section and click Bullets. And that is how you remove bullets. A quick tip, if you want to change the look of your bullet from the classic circle, this is how you would do that. Highlight the text, go to the Home tab, go to the Paragraph section, click on the arrow beside bullet, and from the library that pops up, choose a different style. In this instance, let's choose checkmark. And that is how you change the style of your bullets. That's it for now. Remember to save your work. Thank you for watching.